A round of snowfall headed our way with some areas already dealing with it. As you can see, some warnings in effect. Snow squall warning in effect for Bruce Peninsula. We're also seeing it up towards Barrie. What does that mean? Well, it just means poor visibility throughout the evening period as we see some squalls pushing through the area. And that's all because of a cold front heading into tomorrow. We're going to start to see a change in conditions. We're going to see that snowfall, but it's because of an Alberta clipper. Now, our radar showing us that areas out towards southwestern Ontario, seeing some snowfall at this time, like London, and out towards areas like Niagara Falls and Buffalo. If you watched the Bills game earlier today, you would have noticed quite a bit of snow. Well, that snow was there to stay. Our futurecast showing us that here in the city of Toronto, we are going to get snow, but tomorrow evening. What happens throughout the day is we could see the potential for some snow developing throughout the afternoon, but it's really the evening period after 7 p.m. that we're going to start to see it across the GTA. This band is persistent, at times heavy. We can see 5 to 10 centimeters of snowfall in accumulation, and some areas seeing localized amounts of 15 centimeters of snow. And that's why we're under a special weather statement right now. You can see around 8 p.m. it gets heavier in the Toronto area, Markham, Woodbridge, as well as Stouffville and Newmarket, and then continues on throughout the overnight, not tapering off at least until the morning hours on Tuesday. And then throughout the afternoon, there are some areas north of the city, north of the 401, that can actually see that snowfall once again around 3:30 on Tuesday. Other than that, we're going to see a few flakes heading into the midweek and the weekend, but besides that, there are some dry days in store as well, and I'll show you that in our 7-day forecast. Our wind speeds right now are coming in from the southwest at 24 kilometers per hour out of Pearson, but areas like Barrie at 13 kilometer per hour winds, sustained winds at 15 in Peterborough, and 28 in the Kingston area. Our current temperature in the city of Toronto around -2, but it does feel colder, feeling closer to -8. Tomorrow's wind chill will sit closer to -15 as we start off our day. This is what the next 7 days are looking like. You can see that we do get to about -7 on Wednesday. And one thing I want to note is that our morning wind chill on Wednesday will actually feel a lot closer to -24. Our daytime wind chill will feel closer to -15. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.